I want to do my favorite thing now. It's the lightning round.
Let's do it, man.
Let's get this. The rules are this. Adam has no idea what I'm going to ask him, what I'm going to say, and his job right now is to just give his quick gut reaction because we're going to go through this quickly. Hence, the lightning round. Okay, I'm going to say a couple of words.
You have theme music? No?
Darn, I should have music for this, shouldn't I? I'm going to have to update my format. That's important. That's what we're talking about. You have to have a format for your show. It's got to be an order of things. People who watch your show should know what to expect. Okay. So here it is, a word or a phrase or a question. Quick answer. First word, influencer.
You can't call yourself one.
I love that. So overused, isn't it? It's like, wow, you have like 400 followers on LinkedIn and now you're an influencer.
There's a difference between being influential and being an influencer.
Correct. I'd rather be a thought leader who has influence.
Okay.
The jobs market.
It's tough out there.
Okay. The Joe Rogan experience.
The man is showing us that you could do this and get paid.
$100 million deal from Spotify. I mean, that's getting paid. Okay.
Pension paying for ears and eyeballs.
Your favorite podcast besides the Pozcast?
I'll be honest. Big fan of Jordan Paris. He's an old soul who has a really unique style of interviewing, and he's just smart as hell, man. Kudos to Jordan.
Okay. For daily vlogging, can anybody ever replace Casey Neistat?
Yeah, I mean, him and Gary Vee go head to head, man. The Daily V, that was good stuff.
That was great stuff. All right. Favorite 3 connections on LinkedIn?
I'm going to say Joe Gill. I'm going to say Sean Harvey. And let me throw a curveball out there. I'm going to say Mitch Goldberg.
Yo, you got it. All right. I made it to top 3. Okay, that was a good hint. All right, we've covered a lot of ground here. I want to thank you so much for your time. Everybody, you see the scroll going on the bottom of the screen, but how could people reach out to you?
Absolutely. I'm always on LinkedIn, Adam J. Posner. You'll find me there. For more on the show, www.thepozcast.com, and all things recruiting, nhptalentgroup.com.